Hey everyone, Alex from Alf's Mustang Garage. Just working on our 66 Mustang convertible 289 project here again. Today we're installing a fuel pump. Just one funny little thing to kind of show you. If you're trying to install a fuel pump and you're having a hard time getting things lined up like this, it's because your cam that's on the timing chain needs to be in a different position, because this arm rests on the cam, and as the cam on the timing gear comes around, it'll actuate the fuel pump like this. So if you're having trouble getting it on like so, it doesn't really line up very well, all you gotta do is turn the engine over. As you can see, I'm getting closer and closer into where it needs to go, right there. So now I can put my gasket on and get my bolts. I don't usually use silicone on this gasket. I just use the gasket and the bolts. So just a quick little tip there, in case you're ever fighting a fuel pump and you can't figure out why, that's why. You just need to rotate the engine over a little bit. Usually about, no more than 180 degrees, and it should go on just fine for you. So okay, there's your fuel pump. Now we just gotta hook up our soft line, hook up our metal line, and soft line is the supply line, and the metal line is going to go up and feed the carburetor. If you can see that, sorry. Supply line from the tank, metal threaded line goes to the carburetor. Usually you're going to have a soft line coming out right here. On a factory car. So that's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching.